Line 60 of bot 6 holds one position at a time and has been live since the 15th of July 2026 to 33 days. 9 closed trades. Plus 0.68 USD on a 100 United States dollars slot. Win rate 44%. Its entry gate is agreement between two independent models plus a context check. Its exits are a 2% target, a 4% stop and a hard 72-hour clock. This is the complete re. 6 coins: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BNB, XRP and Dogecoin, recorded second by second. Line 60 is one instance of bot 6. A bot that holds one position at a time, across all 6 coins, with a single slot of 100 United States dollars. It has been running on live data since the 15th of July 2026. On paper, with a fee of 0.15% per action. Its entry rule is a gate made of agreement rather than of thresholds. As of the 17th of August 2026. After 33 days live. Measure, value, closed trades, 9, net result, plus 0.68 USD, plus 0.68% of 100 United States dollars. Win rate, 44.4%, average trade, plus 0.076%, median minus 0.580%, median holding, 72.0H. How they ended. Take profit. 2. 72H timeout. 7. Best, worst, ETH plus 2.40%. BTC minus 2.36%, buy and ho. Line 60's defining number is not its profit. It is that 7 of its 9 closed trades ended on the 72-hour clock. Not at a target or a stop. The bot was right that something was happening. It was wrong. Or too early. About when? That is a specific and fixable failure. And it is worth separating from the general. The strategy does not work. Same boundary as every study we publish. The order book tells you how big the next move is, not which way it goes. Market flow research. Measured, not guessed.